Hello and welcome to my channel. Today is a really exciting unboxing that I have for you guys today. I bought this yesterday, but I haven't opened it. I know what's inside and I've tried it on and everything, but I haven't opened it after I bought it. And I've been looking for this product for at least 1.5 years or something. And I've been looking at it from everywhere, like literally every single country that I visited. I went to the store and asked if they have my sizes, and I couldn't find it anywhere. So yesterday when I went to the store, I wasn't looking for the belt. I was going for the Balenciaga Triple S, but they didn't have them in my sizes, unfortunately. So then this kind of came up all of a sudden. I was talking with the salesperson, so then we were talking about pretty much everything, and then this came up, and then she was like, well, actually we just got them and we haven't even put them up or told anyone. And then because they didn't have the shoe, she was like, maybe I can give you this if this helps. So yeah, I was super excited, even though I didn't get the shoes, but I did find something that I've been looking for a long time. Now, before we start opening, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the little bell so you get notified every time I make a new video. But now let's open this box and see what I got. So this Looks Bag Helsinki, where I got this from, is a family-run store in Helsinki, and they sell Balenciaga, Gucci, Fendi, and all these high-end brands. And yeah, they were super lovely at the store. But so if you follow me on Instagram or you watch my videos, maybe you already know what it is. Or then you just looked at the title. Obviously, if you clicked this video, you probably saw the title. So you probably already know what's inside the freaking bag. But now let's get back to the video. Ta-da! It is the Gucci belt with the new Gucci logo, the double G. And this is the women's 4cm one. And this wasn't the one that I originally was looking for, because I was gonna get the men's version, which has it's pretty similar to this, but it is 3 centimeters wide. But when I tried this on, I thought this was the perfect size, even though most of my pants don't have that thin of the place where you put your belt, so I think this will go fine. I tried it on in the store with my pants and it went in well. And also I've tried a belt on different color in a Gucci store in Monaco, and there I thought the 85 was gonna be a good size, but I didn't have pants that I could put it in the right place, so it was hard to judge. But now I tried it on fully, and I actually tried on the 80, and I was like, I got it to the third hole, I think. So then I was like, do you have a 75? And they didn't have a 75. So then I bought this 80 long, because if I have like low-waisted pants, this fits in the first hole, even though I don't have any low-waisted pants, I don't think. Well, maybe some shorts I do. So then it would go with those, and then I don't have to make new holes. But then if I do want to wear it on my waist, then I do have to make a hole further down, but but still, the shorter you get, the better it is, but make sure that it does fit you at least on your hips. I will show you like sizes of different belts, what's the difference between a 3 centimeter one, and they also have the 2 centimeter one, and then they have the 7 centimeter one, which is probably only for the waist, because you can't really fit that in any of your pants. And then in the men's section, they have the 3 centimeter one. And they all are this pretty much the same. In the men's section, they have this, because this is like the smooth leather, but they have it in the I think it's calf leather, which has like, well, it's not smooth. But yeah, now I'm going to show you how this looks on, and then I'm going to show you comparison to other sizes of belts. I found a 2 centimeter one, and then a 3 centimeter one, and then, well, I didn't find a 7 centimeter one, but I have a 5 and then the 2, so I will show you how thick it looks on me. And also I will measure my waist and hips and the place where I usually put my, so you kind of get the idea. If you measure yourself and compare it to mine, then you kind of maybe know which size you want to get if you want to order it from online, because these are sold out pretty much everywhere and they only restock at times. So yeah, but now I'm going to show you how this looks on. Alright, so first I'm going to measure, like here are my hip bones, so I'm going to measure where what I am from my hips, and I am like an 85 right where my hip bones are. And then, sorry, my measurement thing isn't really good for this because I don't have a fabric one. But then these pants come up to my, like my belly button is right there, and they're like right under my belly button. And there I am like a 75, a bit less than 74 and a half. Then, and these are all in centimeters, so sorry for those who don't know centimeters. And then my waist is like a 64. So, and this belt, I will measure how much this, the size is 80, but this belt, so the belt from the buckle to the end is 94 and a half. Yeah, it's like 93. No, 94. So it is longer than like 80 centimeters that the size is. This fits right through the holes of my pants. And this actually goes to the last hole of the belt, and then it has like this much extra, and then goes right in, and it just doesn't fit into there, but then like this. And this is like right under my belly button, so it fits pretty well over there. But then I think I don't have many low-waisted pants, but I think I have some shorts that come right on my hips or lower. So this does fit like the first hole of the belt. I can fit it on my hips, so I really like that, because if I do have lower waisted pants, it does fit, and it still fits in the hole here. If I do want to wear it on my waist, I do have to wear or make another hole, because it's like the end of the G is on the last hole, so I do have to make a hole like further down, and then it has like this much extra. But if I would have gotten the 75 one, I would have had to make another hole if I had lower waisted pants. So I'd rather make a hole here than in the front. So yeah. But then this you could like tie with a ponytail or something over here, because otherwise it's gonna flap. And this is tied at the back, so you can't move it. But yeah, I don't know, maybe you want to cut this or something if you want to move it, but then it's going to move around. So I suggest you tie it with a ponytail or something at the back if you want to wear it like high-waisted. And then these Gucci belts come in like many size or colors in the leather. They have brown ones, blue ones, white ones in this size. And then on all the other sizes, they have at least brown and blue in most cases. And also they have this buckle in silver and gold. And I was debating for a long time if I should get a silver because I wear more silvery things, but I still like the gold more. So I think, I'm not sure which brand I want to get, but I want to get some other brand a silver belt someday. But now I will show you the other sizes. Like this is a 2 centimeter belt, and this would look like this with these pants. So the 2 centimeter one, it's not that small. In pictures I feel like it looks really small, but actually it's not that small. The buckle is maybe, or the GG might be a bit small, but the small one is the cheapest one. Oh yeah, I didn't tell this 4 centimeter one from the women's section. It was $3.50, and the small one, I'm not sure. I think it's $2.95 or maybe less. But at least the 3 centimeter one from the men's section, it's $2.95. So it's like 55 euros cheaper, and that's not that much. And then this is a 3 centimeter one. It isn't that much of a difference. Well, it's a centimeter. And if I would put this on, it would look pretty much the same. And I feel like the GG would be probably like the same on the 3 centimeter one. But I feel like the thicker one is better if you put it on your waist, because this might look a bit like small on your waist. So I feel like it's better if it's a bit thicker. And then I don't have the 7 centimeter one because that is very thick, but this is like 5 centimeters, and then this is 2, so that makes 7, so that is very thick. So that would only be like a waist belt if you wanted to get the 7 centimeter one, and that I think it's like $5.70 or something on the website, but it's way more expensive than the other belts are. And that you can't really wear as a normal belt because it won't fit on your pants. Alright, that was it. I hope you got some insight on what size you would get if you want to get this belt. I've always had a trouble knowing which size I want to get because the sizes aren't the size that the belt is. Like this is an 80 and it's actually 90 long and stuff like that. So I hope this helped, and now you might know which size you want to get if you want to order from online, because they do have it in stock more than anywhere in the shops. But I am super happy that I found this belt because I've been looking at it for so long, and I'm super happy with it, even though it's not the size that I originally wanted. But I really like this size actually more than the 3 centimeter one because it is a bit thicker. So if I want to wear it on my waist, I feel like it looks better. If you have any questions regarding this belt, please comment down below. I will look and answer every single question. But this was it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!